हेलो एवरीवन। आप में से कितनी मदर ऐसी हैं जिन्हें लगता है कि मेरा बच्चा इंग्लिश नहीं सीख पा रहा है या पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज पे आप फोकस कर रही हैं, वेदर इट इज योर नेटिव लैंग्वेज और इंग्लिश और एनी अदर लैंग्वेज. And sometime I have seen mothers goes to school for PTM or something, and they say, uh, he is coming from last 1 year or 1.5 year or maybe 6 months, and my child did not start speaking at all. He cannot write, he cannot do things. So my this video is for those mother who thinks that the school is the only thing where the children should learn, and it is the responsibility of the school to teach or help your child in speaking, writing, reading and learning, because you are paying for them. So if money can teach all these things to your children, then believe me, all rich people children will be intelligent enough and they will have all kind of knowledge. So let me tell you all these things. Hi, welcome back to my Mindful Parenting Circle. My today's video is for those mother only, and take a cup of tea, sit in the balcony or somewhere and just listen to my video till end. So let's start. I'll start with a story. Once I went for a PTM with my eldest son, and there one mother was talking to the teacher that my child is not speaking in English and he's not able to write. Do you know that was a Montessori school, and the teacher who was sitting in front of her was a new teacher. तो उसमें इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि वो उसको बोल पाए कि क्यों नहीं सीख पा रहा है. हर किसी को लगता है कि हम इतना पैसा दे रहे हैं स्कूल वालों को तो डेफिनेटली वो तो होना ही चाहिए. कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है कि एक रेसिपी है, आपने उसको पैसा दिया एंड घोला और बच्चे को पिला दिया. ये बिल्कुल भी रेसिपी नहीं है. So I was so impressed. That's why I am telling and sharing this information with you guys, because that was a topmost Montessori. I am telling you, it is the name TLC Montessori, and it is in Bangalore only. And that teacher was not able to handle because she was new. She was not able to understand what to say, and maybe वो expect ही नहीं कर रही थी कि इस तरह का कोई question भी करेगा, because every parents know the capacity, capability and the learning pace of their child if they are closely monitoring them. So when she was just hesitating, suddenly the lady who is running that school, basically, she came and she sat with the teacher. Oh, then the teacher was so felt little better. तो उसने पूछना शुरू किया कि मैम, what you expect from your child, what he should learn. ABCD आना चाहिए उसको अच्छे से, एटलीस्ट राइम बोलना आना चाहिए. He should know how to write and all, at least. He is coming here from last 1 year. So उसने बोला कि आपका बच्चा how many hour he is in the school. तो बोला 9 से 12 बजे तक रहता है. So 9, 10, 11, 12, only 3 hours. So where your child will be after these hours. तो बोली घर पे रहता है और कहाँ रहता है. तो she said कि so how many hours are there in a day? 24 hours. Out of that 3 hours your child is in the school, and 21 hours he is there. Maybe he's sleeping, maybe he's talking, maybe he's playing, or whatever activities you are doing in at house. So where he should learn more. नहीं तो पैसे किस चीज के देते हैं हम आपको. So it is not a matter of money, it is a matter of things. That then the teacher asked, the lady asked, how many hours you are speaking to your child. Does your child speak in your language, the basic native language? हाँ, हमारे को तो टाइम ही नहीं होता, हम तो बिजी होते हैं, हमारे को ये काम करना होता है, काम वो काम करना होता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव पुट हिम इन द स्कूल. Then she told, if you are expecting your child going somewhere for 3 hours and learning everything, after that 3 hour, 21 hour, he'll sleep, he'll do something else, and he will not at all repeat, he will not at all practice that, then I am sorry, you are at the wrong place. That lady was so surprised. How can you say like that? No, the schools are made for the learning where the children will learn by seeing, watching, and with certain techniques. बट एज अ पेरेंट्स इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कि हम भी उसके साथ कोलैबोरेट करके चलें. And those parents who are understanding that we need to collaborate with the school, we need to understand what school is teaching, same thing we have to do at home. We have to spend time with our children. I don't know how parents can ask such question if they are not able to help them to teach their native language by in 21 hours they are with, and they are expecting in 3 hours the teacher will do that. And that was a big message for me because now I am not asking that silly nothing, no question is silly question, but I will never ask such question कि मेरा बच्चा ये क्यों नहीं करता है. I will think before speaking that whether I am giving that much time to my child or not. So from that day, I learned a lesson that I have to spend lots of time with my child. I think that lady, that mother also learned a lesson. So do you know why it matters? And why did I tell you this story? बिकॉज बचपन की कन्वर्सेशन सिर्फ वर्ड से नहीं होती, ये कनेक्शन से भी होती है. सो बिफोर मेकिंग कनेक्शन विद टीचर, बिफोर मेकिंग कनेक्शन विद एनी आउटसाइडर, हमारे बच्चे का कनेक्शन हमारे साथ होता है. जब हम अपने बच्चों से रोज बात करते हैं, उनका इमोशनल वर्ल्ड को अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करते हैं, हमारा बच्चा सेफ फील करता है हमारे साथ. वो सीखते हैं कि कैसे एक्सप्रेस करना है, सुनना है, अपनी टर्न का वेट करना है, फील करना है. तो जितनी बातें घर में होंगी, घर का एनवायरनमेंट जैसा होगा, वैसा ही बच्चा सीखेगा. अगर हम अपना पूरा दिन अपना काम में लगे रहेंगे या फिर बच्चों को टीवी दे देंगे या कुछ डिफरेंट एक्टिविटी ही नहीं करेंगे उनके साथ, तो दे विल लर्न व्हाट दे सी, व्हाट इज अराउंड देम. Believe me, parents, if your child is not at all even speaking, if you provide them environment within 6 months, you will find the change. So those mother who are in dilemma, who are in tension कि मेरा बच्चा तो बात ही नहीं करता, या फिर मेरा बच्चा लिख ही नहीं पा रहा है, या मेरा बच्चा अच्छे से रीडिंग नहीं कर पाता है. So dear mommy, as a parenting coach and as a mother of two beautiful children, I will tell you कि ये बहुत easy होता है, but just we have to spend time at the right time. और हमें अंडरस्टैंड करना है कि हमें बहुत टाइम के लिए नहीं करना है, क्योंकि बच्चे जब सीख जाते हैं दे विल नॉट आस्क फ्रॉम यू. ये उस जमाने का तो नहीं है कि डिक्शनरी में देखो इसका मीनिंग क्या है. बच्चे विल डेफिनेटली चेक फ्रॉम गूगल, चेक फ्रॉम एआई और समवेयर, जब उनको ये समझ आ जाएगी. बट बेसिक जो हम एक सीड डाल रहे हैं लर्निंग का, या फिर हम बेस बना रहे हैं टू मेक सम हाउस, हम मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजों के बारे में इतना सोचते हैं कि सीमेंट अच्छा होना चाहिए, ब्रिक अच्छे होने चाहिए, हाउस में इस तरह की चीजें होनी चाहिए. जब इंटीरियर करवा रहे होते हैं तो इतना कुछ देखते हैं, लेकिन एक जीती जागती बच्चा जो हमारा है, जिसका इंटीरियर सबसे अच्छा होना चाहिए, हम उसमें स्पेंड ही नहीं करते. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट स्पेंडिंग अबाउट मनी. उससे आप बच्चे को अच्छा नहीं बना पाओगे. You have to spend time, you have to spend your learning on them, and you have to talk to them, you have to provide them environment. अगर आप ये सब कर रहे हो ना, तो believe me, nothing is impossible. मेरा एक बच्चा बहुत अच्छे से सुनता है, दूसरा बच्चा मेरा बिल्कुल नहीं सुनता है. एंड मेरे फेस पे आप कभी टेंशन ही नहीं देखोगे, इवन इफ somebody is saying कि ये ऐसा करता है, I always say proudly कि these are the children I want. Because if you have the capacity to say no, if you don't like something, believe me, you will survive in this world. So dear mommy, अगर आपका बच्चा आपकी नहीं सुनता है, या नो बोलता है किसी चीज को, या कभी कुछ कर नहीं रहा है, अगर वो एक्सट्रीम नहीं है, तो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर द बेस्ट मॉम इन दिस वर्ल्ड एंड योर चाइल्ड इज द बेस्ट. They will be self-dependent, they will be independent, they will not at all listen to bullshit from anyone. Everything will be on the track. We just need to wait few days, few months, few years. It depends upon the pace of the child. Some take few days, some takes few months, some take few years. So for every task, you just take three months dedication and just finish it off. I am telling you, you will be able to do. For example, if you want potty training, susu training, take 3 months. 3 months you have to do one thing and completely with dedication. Second, if you want a reading, 3 months you give for your child. Start with the sight word, practice for 2 months, and start reading from third month. If you're talking about writing, let him scribble anywhere. Let him write anywhere. Do not put so many rules, 3 line pe likho, 4 line pe likho, is line pe likho, us line pe likho. Wherever they want to write down it, write down. When they will be able to understand, they will write it nicely. So I'll tell you 3 simple tips which you have to do daily when you are planning for all these things. First, आपको डेडिकेटेड मिनिमम, जब आप इस तरह का स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो ना, आपको डेडिकेटली मिनिमम 2 आवर तो दिन में देने ही देने हैं. पीपल सेज 10 मिनट, पर 10 मिनट में कुछ नहीं होता है. और आपको कॉन्टिन्यूसली नहीं अपने बच्चे को पढ़ाना है. आप थोड़ी देर पढ़ाओ, खेलो, फन करो, अगेन उसको पढ़ाओ, क्योंकि बच्चों में उतना कॉन्सेंट्रेशन नहीं होता, वो डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. इसलिए आपको भी फन वे में उनको सिखाना बहुत जरूरी होता है. सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट इज स्ट्रेच 2 आवर दो, इतना टाइम भी नहीं निकाल सकते अगर आप अपने बच्चे के लिए. तो आप मतलब आई कैन गिव यू इन रिटर्न दैट रिमेंबर दे विल they don't need your time later, and when you will think that my child will sit with me, they will not sit. सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आपको करना है, आपको हर रोज अपने बच्चे से ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं. Don't think any question is silly. Anything you can ask. Even if it is silly, they are laughing, it's okay. Even if they are saying, क्या मम्मा रोज ही पूछती रहती हो? You ask. It is your duty to understand your child, to know more better about your child, to take out whatever they don't want to tell. Because sometimes you are asking so many questions and some or the other thing will come out from them. It happens with me several times. My child is saying, you know mama, ऐसे करके हो जाता है. तीसरी चीज आपको करनी है कि आपको अपने दिन के बारे में भी बात करनी है. आप अपने बच्चे के साथ बैठो, उसको मिल्क बॉर्नवीटा बना के दो एंड अपने आप टी लो एंड देन सिट डाउन टुगेदर एंड टेल यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड टुडे व्हेन आई केम बैक फ्रॉम आफ्टर ड्रॉपिंग यू. This much traffic was there. It was so difficult. My knee was paining. You know what happened? What people were doing? So many things you tell. Now you tell me about your day. I don't want you to understand about your day. What happened in gym, or what was the class, what madam said, how much was the homework, did you speak to your friend, what book did you read from the library, any question. Don't think that this is silly question, how can I ask you, my child will feel bad. Don't feel bad, nothing will be bad. Okay, so always remember, dear parents, this is all for today, and remember that parenting is not about perfect word, not about perfect parents. It is about connection, how you are making connection with your child, and how you are understanding your child. Most important thing, you would whether you want to learn or not. बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स तो ऐसे हैं जिनको लगता है कि हमारे को तो बहुत अच्छे से आता है, और बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो मतलब पर्टिकुलरली फॉर एग्जांपल किसी कोच की बात हो रही है, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम भी है, तो अगर आपके आसपास ही कोई कोच है तो आप बोलेंगे वो सिखाएगी, उसके तो अपने बच्चे ऐसे हैं, या फिर उसको तो मैं पर्सनली जानती हूँ. नो. सो डियर पेरेंट्स, कभी भी ऐसा मत सोचो कि कोई आपको नहीं बता सकता, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो आपको कुछ ना कुछ अच्छी चीजें बताएंगे. एंड it's okay if you're taking something from good from somebody, and 10 things they have told and 5 आपके काम किए, तो it's okay ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? So dear parents, it is very important to sit with your child in the beginning, to talk to your child, understand them, and most importantly, it is important to understand that schools are not only things where your children will learn. If you are not taking care of your child at home, if you are not observing your child at home, believe me, 7th 8th में आपको समझ आ जाएगा. You will just come to know कि बच्चा पढ़ नहीं रहा, उसकी concentration नहीं बन रही है, वो आपसे बात नहीं कर रहा है, उसको प्रेशर हो रहा है कि सारी चीजें पाइल अप हो रही हैं. पाइल अप जब हो रही थी तो पेरेंट्स ने ध्यान नहीं दिया, लेकिन जब आप पाइल अप हो गई हैं तो मल्टीपल ट्यूशन में डाल के आप बच्चे का स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, डिप्रेशन, ये सब चीजें बढ़ा रहे हो. फिर बच्चे को कंपटीशन में जाना है. So much things are there. Everyone in this world has to do for their life. So if they have to do, let's start from the beginning. No, as a parent, it is our responsibility to give them things on the right time, not materialistic things, but these emotional, mental, and physical activities things do, which is very important for your child brain development. Please do that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. I hope I am able to communicate the message. Love you all.